Hello again!
In today's video, we're going to talk about safety concerns and how we did cope with them. First starting point, we read about Brazil, which is also two of our destinations. So we're going to be in Salvador and in Rio de Janeiro. Both cities we learned have high warnings for travel. So that might be an issue. We also called our travel agency and they said, yeah, if you book via the cruise line, you're like 98% safe. If you book it yourself via, for example, Get Your Guide, you're like 90-ish% safe. So the agencies normally know what they're doing. Of course, they cannot exclude any particular risk. This video is also not a replacement for your own safety due diligence. So please also do your own research. You can also write in the comments, do you actually check the safety of a harbor you're going to? Or just, if the cruise crew doesn't say anything, you say, that's all right. Yeah, what is your opinion? Write it in the comments. Are we too German?
Are we too German?
That's the core question, yeah? Are we too German, yeah? Oh no, there's an unsafe spot in this big city. Yeah. We cannot go there.
Yeah, how do we get to the idea that these countries are not safe or the cities are not safe? So from my point of view, I'm kind of a really naive person. So I would just go from the ship and have a look in the city and move around. And learn by doing. What we did is, we checked the Foreign Office, of course, the page of the Foreign Office. We also checked some blogs. Most of the time, the Foreign Office is much more, there's a lot of violence and criminalities and stuff like that. However, blogs most of the time, from my point of view, are more realistic. That's written by persons that went to the cities and moved around there and had a nice trip there. One of the points was, okay, as soon as also in blogs there are security things mentioned, we kind of start listening to them.
Sometimes you also read in these blogs that people say, there's quite a lot of crime, but don't worry, nothing ever happened to me, so it's perfectly safe. So then there's also the case that you find some blog entries from 2012. Maybe also not a valid source. But just read through that and then maybe you get a better perception on what is going on with the city. And in the case of Salvador, we just booked something via Get Your Guide and hope we will survive.
Most probably.
And when you write into the comments, of course you can also write in German, as we see Germans. Yeah? Also ihr könnt auch gerne auf Deutsch schreiben. We saw that we have also quite a few viewers from Germany, so please also write in German in the comments if you like. Of course you can write in English. And everything that DeepL allows.
Thank you and see you again.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.